What's up? My name is Aiduan and today I'm visiting Moscow Space Museum. The museum is under construction. And the best part that today it is free to visit. I mean, free of charge. The Museum of Cosmonautics. And this is Yuri Gagarin, the first man in space. It's pretty dark in here. Oh. Moon globe. Moon globe looks like this. I think it's pretty much the same on any part of it. So this is a replica of a space shuttle that the first man on moon came from space. Yeah, Yuri Gagarin, and it's pretty comfy. Looks like a one-room flat in Moscow. Yeah, in the new buildings, right? Yeah, you don't know, but they're pretty small flats in Moscow right now. They're very expensive. In Soviet Russia, even dogs had a space shuttle. Yeah, it's not very big. And these are the models of the dogs that were there. Yeah, this dog is called Strelka and that dog is called Belka. And they actually used almost space shuttle like this. It's a replica. I think they choose small dogs on purpose. For bigger dogs you need bigger shuttle, right? I mean, how cool is that when you're a dog and you can fly to space? And actually they returned and they were alive. Yeah, they did. And if you're wondering what was the first of Earth Sputnik in space, well, it was like this. It was launched in 1957 and flew in space for a couple of months. Yeah, of course this is a model, a copy. And here is one of a model of a spacesuits for a short work on space. It's pretty big. I mean, pretty fat. The arms and the body is actually a bit fatter than the normal part, right? Yeah. So this thing is a giant photo machine. Alright? I would like to have one of these on my GoPro. This is Soviet space propaganda. Oh, the posters are nice. The rocket has a Soviet label on the engine. And this thing here is a cruise missile. Oh, just look. So this is a spaceship model and there are like two astronauts there climbing and this guy is like, "Okay, Carl, I'm sick of you. I'm going away." And he's like, "Come on, man, just stop. I'll change." And here you can see the inside of a spacecraft. Yeah, that's only the first part and there are like a couple of parts down below. I'm in the spacecraft now. I'm not. I'm in the spacecraft now. I'm not. So here, how the rocket goes to space. Here, how the rocket goes to space. It flies, and then some of the parts are saying, "Okay, man, I'm leaving. I'm out of here." And this big rocket saying, "Oh, okay, I'm staying." And then these parts leave, and then the big part leaving, and the two small parts leaving. And even the smaller parts are leaving, so like from this rocket only these small little parts stays. Yeah, this small little part stays. And this is the model of a plane that simulates zero-G conditions. So the plane flies and then it goes up and then flies and then go down, and the whole thing is going for 30 seconds. This is the model of the first rover that drove in space, and it's a big solar panel on the side of it, or it's a spoiler so it can drive really quickly. Some couple of rocket models.
Oh, a tiny one.
This is the core model of a Mir space station. So actually this thing flew into space. Well, this is the model.
And now, let's look what's inside.
Okay, a bathroom and a window with the earth and some table with poker chips. Oh no, that's like food and control panel with a. These seats are very funny, I think, right? And some buttons. Ah, man, you cannot touch anything. Oh, an upside down computer.